Camden, and this is the Marshmellow Project. These are all the ingredients you need. Add 3 packages of gelatin and a half cup of cold water to the mixing bowl. Add 1½ cup of sugar, 1 cup of corn syrup, 1/4 teaspoon salt, and 1/2 cup of water to the pot on the stove. Cook over medium heat until sugar dissolves. Raise the heat to high and cook until the syrup reaches 240 degrees. Remove from heat. Put hot mixture into mixing bowl. Mix all ingredients on high speed for 15 minutes. Boy, does it smell bad. Add 1 tablespoon of vanilla. Mix thoroughly. Coat an 8 by 12 inch glass pan with powdered sugar. Add marshmallow mixture into the pan. Make sure the pan is the right size so you don't have to re-pour. Smooth out the marshmallows evenly. Sift powdered sugar on top. Now let the marshmallows sit overnight to dry out. Finally, cut the marshmallows into small square bites and eat!